ಈ ಹೃದಯ ಕೈಚಾರೋ ಸಡಗರ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸ್ವರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿತವಾದ ದನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನನ್ನು ಮಾತನ್ನಾಡದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾರನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳದೆ ಆಟ ಆಡುತ್ತಿದೆ ಬೇಕಂತ ಕಾಯುತ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ನೋವ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದೆ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಆಳವ ತೋರುವ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಸಿಕಹಿ ರಸಮಯ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು ಮುದ್ದಾದ ಮುಜುಗರ ಈ ಹೃದಯ ಕೈಜಾರೋ ಸಡಗರ ಇರಬಹುದು ಎಂದು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರಬಹುದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕಾಲ ಹಿಡಿಯೊಲವು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಾಕು ಸಿಗಬಹುದು ಬಾಳಿನ ಮೂಲ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಡದಿರು ನೀ ಕೊನೆವರೆಗೂ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮುಳುಗಬೇಕು ತೇಲಲು ಬೇಕು.
Namaskaram to all. My name is Shweta Mohan and I've sung a very beautiful romantic melody, I can say, for the movie Ka, music by Ganesh Narayanan ji and lyrics by Anand ji. What I say, it's my first time with Ganesh ji and it was a nice experience. He's a very nice music director. I can see that he knows his music really well. When something is right, he doesn't trouble the singer too much. Even though the song was a little high in a few portions, he was there to support me and get the best out of my voice, and I think the song has come out well. I'm waiting to listen to the song as a whole after it all comes out in a CD, and hoping to catch it on TV and in the theatre also. Please give us your feedback. I'm sure you guys are going to like it. Thank you.